Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ronnie in Louisiana on this RCI-2995DXCF. Ronnie, this is from the new batch. Just come in. As I was saying in one of my other videos, pretty much the only changes, they went back to the RF520s in the amp section. We went and upgraded your voltage regulator, did a tune alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. 5 watts all the way down. Let me mute my monitor radio over here. Roll it up, 100 watt slug, 40 watts. Hello, gonna for about 67 average, 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, about 155 peak. All right, Ronnie, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.